Hey guys, I hope you're having an amazing day today. And today's video is going to be a fun video. Reason being because I am going to show you how to dance. Shuffling, shuffling, baby, shuffling, shuffling. I'm going to show you how to dance 2 steps, okay? 2 easy steps. If you have 2 left feet. So let's check it out and I'll see you soon. Alright guys, so I'm back here. So step number one, okay? The easy step. Now if you're at a party and you've got 2 left feet, well, don't worry about it, okay? Because a lot of people who think they can dance, and those who can dance, right? So it's always a win-win situation there. Alright, so what you're gonna do is, first steps first, no matter what the music is playing, I'm not gonna be playing any music in this video, okay? So I'm just gonna do this 1 step. Now obviously, I'm sitting, but you're on the dance floor, someone says, hey, you know, why don't you come and dance? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say yes. Don't worry, you know, don't let them come here and drag you to the floor, etc. Don't have to do any of that stuff. With my dance moves, you'll do good. Alright, so first things first, what you need to do is when the music's playing, say for example, you're on the dance floor now, all you gotta do is do the steering wheel. That's step number 1. No matter what music it is, whether it's hip-hop, it's rap, or it's dance, EDM, no matter what, just do this 1 step. With your hand, take your right hand, and pretend you're driving a car, okay? So the step you need to do is just do it this way. Like your hand is on the steering wheel, you're holding the steering wheel, and you're going left, right. Yep, so the music is playing, you're grooving along, and of course don't be, you know, just make sure you move your body as well. Don't be stagnant and do this, okay? Because that's gonna look weird, alright? So you gotta like be easy, just relax. You know, let your shoulders not be, oh, you know, you don't have to do that way. Just relax. Yeah, ease it. Yeah, ease your body and just make sure you do this. Yeah, maybe like whatever song is playing, etc. You know, I'm getting several songs in my head right now while I'm just doing this. Yeah, so just do that. So that's step number 1, okay? You're gonna look cool and you can talk to your friends at the same time and dance, and you know, depending on the speed of the music or depending on the BPM, beats per minute, you can go faster or you can go slower, you can vary it, faster, slower. Yeah, and you're gonna get into the groove, and you know, you can do something, you can probably change hands and do something like that, or you can do it like that, or you can do it like that, you know. So it's basically some hand movement which goes according to the beat. You know, if you just don't know what you're doing, just make sure you count 1, 2, 3, 4, because you can do a 4-step beat. You know, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do a bit of hand, you know, raising your arms in the air, etc. So that's step number 1. Now step number 2 is you can do something with your feet as well, which I'm going to cover soon. Right guys, so I'm going to show you a really simple step you can do with your feet. Alright, this matters if there's EDM stuff going on, like electronic dance music, the tempo is really fast, or it could be anything, it could be house music. Cool dance move you can do would be something that looks like this. I'm going to do it in real time. After that, I'm going to show it to you in slow-mo, okay? Right, I'm going to teach you that. So this is in real time. It looks something like this. Alright, so that's what the step is. Now, it's basically like a shuffle. You're literally shuffling your legs, but a shuffle of a different kind. So all you gotta do is just put this foot in the front and this way, and then just take it at the back. This foot stays in the front, and then take it at the back again, okay? So you're just basically taking 1 foot in the front, 1 foot at the back, okay? And then doing the same thing reverse. So that will be, this foot comes in the front, then this comes in the front again, and the back foot comes in the front again. But of course, you're not touching it to the ground, you're lifting it on your toes, okay? Your heel is on top. So it basically looks like this in real time. So those were the 2 easy dance steps. I hope this video helped you. If it has, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, 8181 How To. Until next time, you take care and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.